I shit. There you go. Hi, my name is Vas and welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm gonna show you what's the best way to fly in the house using the motion controller or manual controller. So I will gonna fly my DJI Avata in my house with both these controllers and see which one is the best. I'm ready now to fly my DJI Avata in house, and I'm gonna start with DJI manual controller first and see how that is going on. Just to let you know, I've flown only around 8 hours in simulator, so there is a chance of me crashing that drone. Okay guys, I'm gonna put my goggles and oh nice. Shit. Right. First crash. I wanna go to try to I think it's here. I can't remember what it is. There you go. Cool, it doesn't work, so I'll have to go and manually put it on. I'll just set up the John manually and let's continue our journey. Okay. It's quite noisy. To me. Okay. Let's try land it. Okay. So that was with DJI manual controller, and now I'm going to do it with motion controller. And let's see, is it easier with this or with manual controller? Just to let you know, I've never tried motion controller with DJI Avata. I've tried only with DJI Mini 3 Pro and I didn't like it. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna switch. Okay, I'm gonna switch this one on. Let's switch to this one, and let's see how this is gonna work. Okay. I think it's slightly easier, to be honest. Okay. Follow the point. It's head tracking as well, so okay, let's go there. Okay. I think it's easier with motion controller, to be honest. Okay. Wait. So here you go, second crash with motion controller. Let's have a look if I can start. Oh, where's it gone? Yeah, it's definitely not easier. It looks like a bit easier, but it's not. Okay, let's land on this here. Okay. So really weird. I tried to land, but I can't really land it. There you go. It's definitely, I'm not used to this. So I think this is not really good to fly in house. And personally, I would recommend to use a manual control, which gives you a bit more control over the DJI Avata. This maybe I still don't know what is. I think it's good to fly with this somewhere in an empty field. But to be honest, I wouldn't recommend to use this one in house because it doesn't give you that full control over the drone. But yeah, I think that was a test. So my personal opinion now is I will definitely gonna use the manual controller over the remote. Motion controller. So it's definitely manual controller over this motion controller. I think I found it much more easier to fly with this. But yeah, I think that was a test, guys. And thanks a lot for watching. And if you have any questions, any comments, please feel free to ask them below, and I will be really happy to reply you back. And also, guys, if you really enjoy my channel, please feel free to subscribe to my channel and thumbs up to my video as well. And this will gonna support my video and my channel a lot. Anyway, guys, thanks a lot, and I'll see you next video. Thank you.